morning, Scots. I'm Tessa Egerton.
And Joseline Botella. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Let's kick off today's show with all of the latest.
We've got school announcements, sports updates, Chloe 101, and so much more.
Stay tuned, Scots. Let's go.
First up, the Creative Writing Club is kicking off a letter writing campaign to honor first responders this semester.
Our first round of letters will be dedicated to nurses. We're partnering with local organizations to deliver your messages straight to the hospital staff in our community.
Be sure to turn in your handwritten letters to Ms. Chapa in room 3B.
Need help getting started? Stop by room 3B during lunch for ideas and support. Up next, it's time to check your Plaid points. If your reading score jumped up by half a year, you just earned 10 Plaid points in your account. Highland is excited to celebrate over 540 students who boosted their reading scores by half a year. Amazing job, everyone.
Keep it going, Scots. Read more because it will benefit you now and for the future.
Finally, Scots, ready to make a real impact on campus next year?
Want to help plan rallies, organize school-wide events, and discover what service leadership is all about?
Then ASB might be calling your name.
Applications for both elected and appointed positions are available now in the activities office.
Don't wait, applications are due March 18th.
Hold up, Scots. Don't go anywhere.
Scots Weekly is just getting started.
Are you interested in joining ASB? These are some of the things that we do at school. Here in ASB, we decide the dress-up weeks and the days that we think a lot of people would want to participate in, and we also plan the rally themes and having the games. It's fun, and then we also come up with the game themes like a football, baseball, softball.
Make sure to grab an application in the activities office, and don't forget to sign up for the interviews.
Just remember, Scots, class council is for 9th through 11th graders who want to run for president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, or publicity chairperson.
Class council elections will be held in April.
ASB elections are going on right now.
You know what you guys should do? You should apply to join ASB. It's really fun. You get to be part of all these activities. All of the ones that you see at school, we make it happen, and you can be part of it.
If you want to make school more fun and be a leader, make sure to join ASB. And that's it for me. Back to you.
And always,
Remember to
plaid. Hey Scots, you hear us say plaid up all the time, but what does plaid actually mean?
P is for pride, representing Highland in the right way on and off campus. L is for leadership, stepping up and setting an example.
A is for attitude, bringing positivity every single day.
I is for integrity, doing the right thing even when no one's watching.
And D is for determination, never giving up.
That's what it means to be plaid.
Highland,
Plaid up.
Did you buy your grad night ticket?
Yes, I have. Have you?
Oh, didn't see you there.
Welcome back.
Get ready for another exciting episode of Chloe 101.
What's up, Scots? Welcome back to another episode of Chloe 101. Today's topic is kindness. It's important to be kind to every individual because you never know what they're going through. Who am I with?
Junior.
And why do you think kindness is important?
I think kindness is important because it makes people feel good. If you're having a bad day or something and somebody's showing kindness to you, it'll kind of brighten you and make you want to spread kindness too.
I agree. Thank you. Let's sneak up on the theater kids. Hi, Jillian. How does it make you feel when someone spreads kindness?
It makes me feel better about the world and the community.
Hi, who am I with today?
I'm Mr. Thompson.
And whoa. Hi, who am I with today? Hi, who am I with today?
I'm Mr. Thompson.
Hi, who am I with today?
Mr. Thompson.
And what is one small act of kindness you did to make someone's day?
Let me come here. Thank you. One small act of kindness that I did to make someone's day. Well, I hope I made this person's day. But a couple of weeks ago, I was dropping my sons off to school. They're in TK in first grade. And I saw a dad that was struggling with two of his boys. They have autism. But one dad was struggling with one. And I just said, hey, do you need some help? And I held his older son's hand across the street while I held my boys across the street while he handled his son that was having some troubles. So I hope that made his day.
That's very nice of you. Thank you so much for sharing that. Hi, who am I with today?
You're with Noah Fernandez.
And do you think kindness is contagious, and why?
Of course I do. I always think kindness is contagious. I mean, just look around here at our FFA event today. There's tons of people having fun, and even though we just came out here on like a nice sunny day, we always have fun. Kindness is very spread.
I got you, and I'm gonna be showing you right now methods on how you can be kind because it is an easy and simple thing to do. Roman, I don't like the color of your shirt.
Well, see, that's what you should do.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you're green. Get out of here.
See, that is not an appropriate act of kindness because it gets them riled up and then they're not nice to me. The correct way. Roman, I like how you're locked in on your editing, and I also like your long sleeve. It compliments you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I like your green shirt.
Sure you do. Be nice. It's okay. It's okay.
Be nice. It's okay.
That's all for today, Scots. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Chloe 101, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Thanks for the video, Chloe. Now let's switch gears and check out what's going on with sports around Highland.
What's up, Scots? I'm Luke Carr. And I'm Adrian Quadras, and welcome back to the sports announcements.
Let's get right to it.
Let's give a huge shout out to the girls wrestling team for placing second in the entire central section and qualifying 6 wrestlers in the state tournament. That's most qualifiers in school history.
Congrats to Steph Martinez, Naomi Nunez, Brianna Alvarado, Janali Gonzalez, Jalissa Gonzalez, and Tiffany Torres, with Janali, Jalissa, and Tiffany all winning the tournament individually.
Good luck at state, ladies.
The track and field team is headed to Liberty High School.
They'll be competing in the current invite today at 2 p.m.
Best of luck. Sports have officially begun, Scots.
Pull up to a game after school and show the Highland athletes some love.
Pat the stands and bring the noise. Boom! That's a wrap for sports, Scots.
Hope you have an amazing day, Scots.
Thanks for that update.
Now let's check in with the Avid team here at Highland.
Think it, ink it, link it, snack it edition.
Good morning, Scots. It's me, Ashley, and today we're going to be rewarding 3 more people from our program, Think It, Link It, Ink It. So come on.
And I'm here with
Grace Zuniga. So today we're awarding her for her great focus notes, and our first question is going to be, what tips would you give other students?
Tips I would give other students is just like what notes works best for you. Usually with me is I do like sentences. That's usually what always works for me when I take quizzes and tests. And like some other students like doing bullet points. It's just whatever works best for you, really.
Okay. And what surprised you most about focus notes?
What surprised me most about focus notes, like just how detailed you really have to be. If you want really good notes, that's just really what surprised me most.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. Well, congratulations on your award. Good morning. I'm here with
Brooklyn.
And today we're going to be asking her some questions regarding her award for the Avid Focus Notes. Our first question is, have you noticed any improvement in your learning with these notes?
I have. I learned that focus notes really helped me and improved my grade in all my classes.
Perfect. And our second question is, what tip would you give other students to help them with focus notes?
I would say highlighting. I really think that highlighting really centralizes my thoughts and it helps me pinpoint things easier.
Perfect. Again, congratulations on your award.
Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Ashley Martinez, and I'm here with
Miss Smith.
And today we're awarding her her Avid award. And our first question that we have for her is, have you noticed more of your students doing focus notes?
Yes, I have.
Okay, perfect. And our second question is, what tips would you give other students?
I would just say go back into your notes, reread them, highlight the things that stand out to you, and that it really helps with retention.
Okay, perfect. Thank you again. That's all for us, Scots. Students, make sure to produce those great focus notes to have a chance of winning. And teachers, make sure to nominate your students.
Quick reminder, Scots, next week is Plaid Week, so get ready for some fun lunch activities.
That's a wrap for today.
And as always,
remember to
plaid up.